Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on Credit Karma. So it is very easy to do, just follow the step I am telling you to do and you will able to change your password easily. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the Credit Karma website and then log in your existing credentials. Once you logged in, click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the page and then simply select setting. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled as security or the password. From there, simply find the option to change your password. You may need to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your password meets the security requirement. Usually include a mix of letters, numbers and special characters. After entering a new password, simply save the changes. You may need to log out and ask to log in again with your new password. Log in using your new password to ensure it has been updated successfully. So if you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on the forget password on the login page and follow the prompt to receive a password reset email to create a new password. So that is how you can change your password on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.